Step into the Jeep 2020 Renegade Latitude. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include passive entry remote start package included, keyless entry with panic alarm remote start system, quick order package 2XB included, engine 2.4 Li 40 VAT MAIR transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, connectivity, bridge solution, slate blue pearl coat, black premium cloth bucket seats, global telematics box module, TBM, tires, 215/60R17 BSWS Touring, STD, transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, STD, and wheels, 17 inches x 7.0 aluminum, STD. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive.